If you're wondering whether you should wait for the iPhone 18 Pro or iPhone 18 Pro Max, the latest leaks have just made that decision a lot more interesting. According to multiple reports, Apple is gearing up to launch the iPhone 18 Pro series in early September 2026, with a possible launch window between September 3rd and September 10th. On top of that, we already have leaked details about the India price, display, performance, cameras, and storage options for both the iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max. In this video, I'm breaking down all the major iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks, the expected India pricing, launch timeline, full specifications, camera upgrades, and what these changes could mean if you're planning to upgrade this year. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the iPhone 18 Pro series launch timeline, because that's one of the biggest questions for anyone holding off on a new phone. Right now, leaks suggest that Apple will announce the iPhone 18 lineup sometime between September 3rd and September 10, 2026. That lines up perfectly with Apple's usual early September launch pattern. We're expecting the standard event. Apple takes the stage, unveils the iPhone 18, iPhone 18 Plus, iPhone 18 Pro, and iPhone 18 Pro Max, and then opens pre-orders a few days later, with sales starting roughly a week after the event. So if you're in India and you're planning your upgrade, you can safely assume that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max launch in India will happen in that same early to mid-September window, or very shortly after the global launch. Now, let's move to something that matters a lot in India. Price. Based on the leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro price in India is expected to start at around $134,900, while the iPhone 18 Pro Max price in India could start at around $154,900. These prices are for the base storage variants, which, according to the leaks, will start at 256 gigabytes. So yes, these are premium ultra flagship prices, but Apple seems to be justifying that with more RAM, higher brightness, and improved camera and performance. Now that we've covered launch and pricing, let's dig into the specs. Starting with the iPhone 18 Pro. The iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display. You're getting a 120Hz refresh rate with promotion for smoother scrolling, animations, and gaming up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. If that 3000 nit number holds up, the iPhone 18 Pro is going to be one of the brightest smartphone displays on the market, which is a huge deal for outdoor visibility, HDR content, and overall usability in bright Indian sunlight. Whether you're watching HDR movies, editing photos, or just scrolling social media outside, this brightness level should make a noticeable difference. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro is expected to be powered by Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chipset. This chip is set to deliver better performance and efficiency compared to previous generations, especially for high-end gaming, AI, and machine learning features. Pro level camera processing, multitasking, and heavy apps. The leaks also mention 12 gigabytes of RAM on the iPhone 18 Pro. That's a big jump for Apple, which has traditionally used less RAM than Android rivals while still staying competitive on performance. Moving to 12 gigabytes means more apps can stay in memory, better multitasking, smoother switching between heavy apps like games, editing tools, and social media. On the storage side, the iPhone 18 Pro storage options are expected to start at 256 gigabytes and go all the way up to 1 terabyte. So you're looking at 256 gigabytes, 512 GB, 1 TB, and 128 gigabytes option in these leaks, which makes sense for a Pro device aimed at creators, professionals, and power users who shoot a lot of photos and videos, especially in higher resolutions. Now let's get into the cameras on the iPhone 18 Pro, because this is where a lot of buyers make their decision. According to the leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro will feature a 48MP main rear camera, likely with improved sensor performance and better low-light capabilities, enhanced zoom features, suggesting an upgraded telephoto system, or better computational zoom A12MP. Front camera for selfies and video calls. The key phrase here is improved zoom capabilities. That could mean longer optical zoom, better quality at higher zoom levels, more advanced image processing for distant shots. If you shoot a lot of portraits, travel pictures, or need zoom for events, wildlife, or sports, this upgrade could be one of the biggest reasons to go for the iPhone 18 Pro over the non-Pro models. Battery details for the iPhone 18 Pro haven't fully leaked yet, but early information suggests that its battery will be slightly smaller than the Pro Max model. That's expected, given the smaller body and display, but Apple usually balances this with software optimization and efficiency improvements in the new chip. Now, let's move up a level and talk about the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the top-end flagship. In Apple's 2026 lineup, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a massive 6.9-inch OLED display. Just like the Pro model, you get 120 Hz per motion refresh rate up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. So if you love big screens for watching movies and shows, gaming, reading, productivity, and split views, iPhone 18 Pro Max display is shaping up to be one of the best in the industry. A nearly 7-inch OLED with this kind of brightness and smoothness will make content consumption and media creation feel incredibly immersive. Inside, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is also expected to run on the A20 Pro chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM, just like the smaller Pro. That means identical performance across both Pro and Pro Max. The main reason to go Max is size, battery, and potentially small camera or stabilization advantages. Not raw power storage options for the iPhone 18 Pro Max are also expected to range from 256 GB to 1 TB, matching the Pro. Again, number 128 GB base storage in sight in these leaks. That reinforces the idea that Apple wants to position both the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max firmly as high storage, high-performance flagship phones, especially for people shooting 4K or possibly even 8K content, and using advanced camera modes. When it comes to cameras, leaks suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max camera setup will be very similar to the iPhone 18 Pro. 48MP main camera, enhanced zoom capabilities, 12MP front camera. The big difference, as usual, is expected to be in the battery size, and possibly in sustained performance and video recording times. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to pack a larger battery than the Pro, which should translate into longer screen-on time, better endurance for gaming, and many more. Confidence for people who travel or use their phone heavily all days, or if battery life is a top priority and you don't mind or even prefer a larger phone, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is likely to be the better choice. Now, let's step back and compare the two in a simple way, because if you're stuck between the iPhone 18 Pro vs iPhone 18 Pro Max, this will matter based on the leaks. iPhone 18 Pro display, 6.3-inch OLED, 120 Hz, up to 3000 nits chip, a 20 Pro R RAM, 12 GB storage, 256 GB to 1 TB EAR. Camera, 48MP main with improved zoom front camera, 12MP battery, slightly smaller than Pro Max expected. India price starts around $134,900 iPhone 18 Pro Max display, 6.9-inch OLED, 120 Hz, up to 3000 nits chip, a 20 Pro R RAM, 12 GB storage, 256 GB to 1 TB EAR camera, 48MP main with enhanced zoom, very similar to Pro. Front camera, 12MP battery, larger than Pro, better overall endurance. Expected India price starts around $154,900 SO. What's the practical difference? If you want a more compact Pro iPhone that's easier to handle with one hand, fits in smaller pockets, and still gives you top-tier performance and cameras, the iPhone 18 Pro is your likely pick. If you want the biggest display, the longest battery life, and the most immersive experience, and you don't mind a heavy, large device. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is the one to watch. Now, a quick but important reminder. All of this is based on leaks and early reports. None of these specs, prices, or dates are officially confirmed by Apple yet. Things like exact India pricing, final camera features, battery capacities, any surprise design changes, or new feature-esque out still change before the official iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max launch event in September 2026. But even at this early stage, a few trends are very clear. Apple is doubling down on brighter displays with up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness. We're seeing a move to 12 gigabytes RAM in the Pro series, which is huge for performance and multitasking.